Going on here. I don't know what we doing. This mowing talking about. What'd you say? Why are we changing the jets for?
Because
the steering.
yeah, there you go. I got slack on the left side, so I'm changing the jet.
Change your jets in the carburetor, so you got slack on the left side.
But whenever we do all that, my plugs are a little lean.
Plugs a little lean. All right, you got that, Smokey? You understand more what we working?
Shit, I got you.
All right. So what was the jets in the front? 90s?
90s.
And we put what, 92s? 92. So what the point that we're going for is we're trying to get the slack out of the left side, the front end.
Right.
Now we're changing fuel jets. Yeah. And so you ain't never done that, midget? That's what Chelsea told us to do. We just following the woman's orders. That's all we doing anymore. It's her car. Her name on it. Ain't our name. Have you ever did give this car a name? Like we know what you call the old Bobcat in there. You call it a Bobcat, right? You got a name for the new Camaro? I ain't gonna say new. We had it for how long? I had it about 12, 14 years. It's new to you being in it.
Right. Do you want like my PG-13 name?
Or you rated R name?
Alright.
Well, you know, when they say names, this more or less what they gonna be. What when they see the car racing? Yeah, baby. What you gonna call it? Huh?
I don't know what I'm gonna call it.
You ain't got no name for it yet?
I mean, I got a rated R.
Have you and the car got a relationship going, or y'all still working on that?
Well, considering we're changing jets to fix the slack, we're bumping heads.
Okay. We get them jets out. Let me see, Mo. Let me see what we're looking at, Smokey. So you don't try this by yourself. You don't come out here when we gone and you try this, okay? All right. Look here. Where they are, check them. Make sure they ain't. Smokey he might have told me something else. What size jets are they? It might be 60. Smokey told me 90. What do you think? See what they are. Smokey young.
These 98s right here.
No, we ain't. No, we ain't got 98s in the back, 90 in the front, Smokey. I'm gonna kill you. What are they, Smokey? No, son, you gotta look right here. On this, right here. This part here. What are they?
You might be right.
What are they? Where the one you took out the front? Let me look at them.
The front is 90.
Let me look at them, Smokey. Let me see. You know, already lost your. Where the ones you took out?
Oh, see here. In the 90s.
Are it 90s or 98s?
The front was 90.
Are you sure?
For sure.
How sure?
Now, listen.
I'm sure.
You know she gonna get, but that car now, son, she gonna be roughed you up.
Hey, you know what caught me?
Oh, damn, so many. Hold on. Are you for sure they 90s or what?
They're 90.
Are you 100%?
No, because he ain't looking at you straight.
Smoke
She wanted to look at
you. Do we need to check or you think for sure it's 90?
You better check.
I don't think they're gonna have 90 to 98s in there. I always run square jets, maybe one or two off. I ain't gonna have 90 and 98. That's a big jump, Smollian. That's got me kind of nervous.
It's either 93 or 98.
That's a big jump. That's a big jump now from 90 to 98.
If you look at it this way, it's 98.
Did them look just like that?
If you want to flip it like that, it'd be 89.
Take it right here. Take these off. Let me look at them. Oh, you know, I don't know. We might be going backwards, sister. What you?
Now I'm going to have slack on the right side.
You think they was 90 or you think they...
Man, I'm going to flip it on Mark. Where's Mark at?
We changed our jets, y'all. You know what we're getting ready for? We're getting ready for Little River, Texas. That's where we coming. When we going to be there?
February 26th and 27th.
February 26th and 27th, y'all. We're going to be in Little River, Texas. What, Friday night going to be small tire?
Friday small tire and Saturday is the
Big tire.
low tires and the motor seats.
And the little big head kids get in free.
Yeah, we do.
Where is that in Texas? What part?
Highland.
Highland, Texas. Y'all been asking a lot about that little hummingbird in there. I'm going to have the hummingbird there too. The hummingbird going to be there for whoever. Y'all always talking all them bounties, and she changing her jet. She got some slack in the front end. She going to have the Camaro there too. She gonna get it lined up. But y'all talking all that trash about a bounty on JJ the boss. I wish you would. Oh, that's where you run Otis? Yeah. Was Otis drunk? Yeah. So all them ones talking all that trash about that bounty, the Hummingbird gonna be there, Little River. And I will put that Hummingbird on small tire. I don't know about that old Dodge, miss. You gonna have that old Dodge there or what? You don't know for sure. Whoever wants the Hummingbird, y'all can get it. I ain't gonna bet no whole lot. I bet, you know, bet a couple, 200-300 or something. You know what I'm saying? We'll do something. Y'all show up. Gonna be February the 26th and the 27th, Little River. Y'all come check us out. Anybody welcome, everybody welcome. They're gonna be small tire. Friday night, $200, 10,000 guaranteed. Small tire, 29.5 by 10.5 and smaller. $200 entry, anybody can get in. 10,000 guaranteed. Then Saturday, you gonna be there? You gonna be in, hey, you gonna be in Little River? You ain't gonna be there? Then Saturday's gonna be big tire. Anybody can come. More than welcome. 200 entry, 10,000 guaranteed. If we get this old thing running, for sure the Hummingbird gonna be there. I'm even gonna have Old Heavy there, giving rides in Old Heavy. We gonna see. I ain't talking about the splintered up Old Heavy. The one that they had, they built it for me. I think they had JB Weld on it. Drive at your own risk. Luckily, I'm gonna caught on fire. I'm gonna have the original Old Heavy there. All right, y'all come on out. We're gonna be there.